Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we are going to see how to download and install Sublime Text Editor. Okay, so let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'm going to make use of Google Chrome. In Google search bar, you need to type Sublime Text Download. Okay, over here you can see there are different versions: Sublime Text 2, Text 3. Okay, but you need to click on the first link to download the latest version. Alright, on this web page, this is the official website to download the Sublime Text software. At the time of making this video, you can see Sublime Text 4 is the current version of Sublime Text software. Okay, this is the version build number, and this software is available for all the three platforms like Mac OS, then Windows, as well as Linux. Okay, you can scroll down and check the change log if you want to check what are the new features added into this. Okay, so how to download? You can click on this Windows link. Okay, so you can see at the top right corner our download has started automatically. Okay, if it does not start, you can click on direct link over here. Okay, so we'll wait for a minute for the software to get downloaded. So now the setup file has downloaded completely. You can click on the open button next to it. So this will open the application for installation. On a pop-up, select yes. I'll close the web browser as we don't need it. Alright, on the setup file, you can see once the setup has started, it is going to ask you for a directory where you want to install it. I'll keep this default directory and proceed. Click next. Add to Explorer context menu. I'll select this because I want it. Click on next. The next, click on install. So within few seconds, the setup has got installed. Click on finish. Now, how to start the Sublime Text Editor? You need to click on Windows Start. Okay. In search, you can type Sublime Text and click on this app icon. So this has started for Sublime Text Editor. This is the version 4, Sublime Text 4. So this is how it looks. You can type the code over here. It is basically a code editor. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll close this application. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.